So carotenes are basically tetraterpenes, meaning that there are it is not 4, it is 8 isoprene unit, but 4 terpenes. Last one might be open chain or ring formation can be done there, and oxygenated derivative is xanthophiles. Acids, carotenoid acid, ester, and xanthophyll esters. They are present in this form. They are yellow or orange pigmentation, distributed in plants as well as in animals. Field meaning you have the chlorophyll as well. It is associated with the carotenoid, carotenes and lutein, and it is photosensitizer in conjugation with the chlorophyll. So your vitamin A is also the same formulation. They absorb light energy for the use of photosynthesis, a wide use. They protect chlorophyll from photo damage. When chlorophyll is absent, so carotenoid are mainly responsible for coloration. It is known as lipochromes or chromolipids because they are fat soluble pigment. So vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin. So what is the function in eyes? In the eyes, certain other carotenoid, lutein, astaxanthin, and zeaxanthin apparently act directly to absorb damaging blue and the nearly ultraviolet light in order to protect the macula of the retina. The part of the eye with the sharpest vision. You can see the diagram. When light is coming, here it is the area. This area, it is called macula, and here the maximum light can be absorbed, and it is here is the sharpest vision. And this is being protected by the UV and the blue rays. X-ray analysis, majority of the natural carotenoid possesses double bond in transposition. A few natural carotenoid are also cis conformation as well. Usually it is with the trans. So by using chromatographic technique, it can be easily separated. And the best source is carrot and alfalfa. Structured determination of the carotenes or carotenoids. They give a deep blue color with the concentrated sulfuric acid and with chloroform solution of antimony trichloride. So stannous chloride is here, and so just change in color conformation, you see that it is losing the hydroxy group over there and then forming the uh, carbenium ion, carbenium ion, and then it goes to first the formation of the cation and then removing one of the proton, it forms the N-hydrovitamin A. So antimony chloride react with the carotenoid to form a blue complex that can be measured by colorimeter. In general, carotenoid absorbs the wavelength from 400 to 550 nanometer light. So what is alpha carotenes? Yellow orange vegetable. So this is the source: carrot, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, winter squashes. Dark green vegetables: broccoli, green peas, spinach, green collard, leaf, lettuce, and avocado, parsley. These are the main source of the alpha carotenes. Okay. So they are optically active because it contains the chiral center. This is isomeric with the beta carotene, and oxidation experiment on alpha carotene have led to results similar to those obtained from the beta carotene, except isogenic acid is obtained as well as genic acid, since isogenic acid is an oxidation product of alpha ionone, and the conclusion is that alpha carotenes contains one beta ionic ring and one alpha ionic ring. Lycopene is another example. It is mainly found in tomato. So tomato is also good. It is a bright and radical carotene and carotenoid pigment and photochemical found in tomatoes and other red fruits and vegetables such as red carrot, watermelon, papaya. The lycopene is chemically carotene. It has no vitamin A structure. Food that are not red may also contain lycopene, such as asparagus and parsley. Parsley is green and asparagus is light green. One catalytic hydrogenation and lycopenes are converted into parhydrolycopenes. Lycopenes have 13 double bond and they are acyclic in nature. There is no cycle, there is no ring formation. Lycopene is an important intermediate in the biosynthesis of many carotenoids, including beta carotene, which is responsible for yellow, orange, and red pigmentation, photosynthesis, and photoprotection. Like this, like all carotenoids, lycopene is a polyunsaturated hydrocarbon and unsubstituted alkene. Lycopene is tetraterpene assembled from the 8 isoprene units, and they are composed entirely of carbon and hydrogen. It is insoluble in water. Lycopenes are 11 conjugated double bond which give its deep red color and its antioxidant activity. So it's not very important for as well as we get from the carotenes, which is finally converted into vitamin A. But this is although not significant, but still ketchup are uh, very much popular in the current era. So all is based on the tomato. It is not necessary a essential component, but anyway, if you are taking it, it's a supplementary. When absorbed from the intense, lycopene is transported in the blood by the various lipoprotein and accumulate primarily in the blood. Disposed tissue, skin, liver, and adrenal glands, but can be found in most tissues. Plants and photosynthetic bacteria naturally produce all trans lycopene, but a total of 72 geometric isomers of the molecule are theoretically possible. When exposed to light or heat, lycopene can undergo isomerization to any of the number of these cis isomer, which have a bent rather than the linear shape. Different isomers are shown to have different stability due to their molecular energy in the human bloodstream. Various cis isomers contain more than 60% of the total lycopene concentration, but the variable effect of the individual isomers have not been investigated. In the human body, due to the lipophilic nature, it is mainly distributed to fatty acid and or organs such as adrenal glands and prostate and testes. Excessive intake may result in skin and liver color orange or yellow. So lycopene are also have something to do with the function of photosynthesis. Lycopene is a key intermediate in the biosynthesis of many organic compounds, carotenoids such as beta carotene and xanthophyll, uh, synthesis with the mevalonic acid and converted into dimethyl protein. This is the condensed with the three molecule of isopentyl pyrophosphate and the gyrenyl pyrophosphate. Two molecules of this product they condense in tail-to-tail configuration to give 40 carbon phytones. Through several desaturation types, the phytonene is converted into lycopene. That point. Several desaturation step phytone is converted into the lycopene. In the two terminal isoprene group of the lycopene can be catalyzed to produce carotene, which can be transformed into wide variety of xanthophyll. ये कॉफी का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट भी है